Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Poland, a country that beautifully blends rich history with breathtaking natural landscapes. From the vibrant streets of its bustling cities to the serene beauty of its countryside, Poland offers a diverse array of stunning locations and unforgettable experiences that are sure to captivate any traveler. Imagine wandering through the medieval architecture of Krakow, where the majestic Wawel Castle stands as a testament to the nation's storied past. Or picture yourself strolling along the picturesque canals of Gdańsk, a city that has witnessed centuries of trade and cultural exchange. Each corner of Poland tells a story, inviting you to delve deeper into its heritage. But Poland is not just about its historical landmarks, it is also home to some of Europe's most breathtaking natural wonders. The Tatra Mountains offer exhilarating hiking trails and stunning vistas, while the serene lakes of Mazury provide a perfect escape for those seeking tranquility. The lush forests and national parks are teeming with wildlife, making them ideal for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Exploring Poland is not just about visiting places, it's about experiencing the essence of a nation that has endured and thrived through the ages. By immersing yourself in its rich history and natural beauty, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience and spirit of the Polish people. So, join us as we embark on this journey to uncover the wonders that Poland has to offer, and let the adventure begin. Krakow, the cultural heart of Poland. Krakow, often regarded as the cultural heart of Poland, is a city steeped in history and vibrant traditions. Its historical significance is underscored by its designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcasing a wealth of architectural and cultural treasures. At the center of this heritage stands the magnificent Wawel Castle, a symbol of Polish national identity. This stunning castle, perched on Wawel Hill, has witnessed centuries of royal history and is home to the Crown Treasury and Armory, where visitors can marvel at the opulence of Poland's past. The lively atmosphere of the main market square, one of the largest medieval squares in Europe, adds to Krakow's charm. Here, the iconic St. Mary's Basilica towers over the bustling market, where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy street performances, artisanal crafts, and delicious Polish cuisine. The square is alive with energy, especially during the summer months when festivals and events bring the community together in celebration. Krakow is also renowned for its rich traditions and vibrant festivals that reflect the city's cultural heritage. Events such as the Krakow Christmas Market and the Wianki Festival showcase local crafts, music, and culinary delights, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the city's festive spirit. The annual Jewish Culture Festival celebrates the rich history of the Jewish community in Krakow, featuring music, art, and educational programs that honor the city's diverse cultural tapestry. In Krakow, history and culture intertwine seamlessly, making it a must-visit destination for anyone eager to experience the heart and soul of Poland. Wieliczka Salt Mine, a subterranean wonder. The Wieliczka Salt Mine, a true subterranean wonder, invites visitors to delve into its fascinating history and breathtaking beauty. Located just a short distance from Krakow, this UNESCO World Heritage Site has been in operation since the 13th century, making it one of the oldest salt mines in the world. As you descend into the depths of the mine, you are greeted by a mesmerizing landscape of intricate salt sculptures and chapels, each telling a story of the miners' devotion and artistry. One of the most remarkable features of the mine is the Chapel of St. Kinga, a stunning underground sanctuary carved entirely from salt. The chapel boasts magnificent chandeliers, detailed reliefs, and exquisite altars, all crafted by the skilled hands of the miners over centuries. Each sculpture and carving reflects the rich history of salt mining and the reverence the workers held for their craft. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Wieliczka Salt Mine is recognized not only for its historical significance but also for its cultural value. The mine has played a crucial role in the economic development of the region and continues to be a symbol of Polish heritage. Visitors to the mine can embark on unique underground tours that offer a glimpse into the life of the miners and the extraordinary world beneath the surface. The guided tours take you through vast chambers, winding tunnels, and breathtaking salt formations, providing an unforgettable experience that highlights the mine's beauty and historical importance. A visit to the Wieliczka Salt Mine is truly a journey into a magical underground realm that captivates the imagination and leaves a lasting impression. Zakopane, the winter capital. Nestled at the foot of the stunning Tatra Mountains, Zakopane is often referred to as the winter capital of Poland, attracting outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The breathtaking landscapes of this picturesque town offer a perfect backdrop for a variety of activities, making it a year-round destination. In winter, the Tatra Mountains transform into a skiing paradise, with numerous slopes catering to all skill levels. Skiers and snowboarders flock to the area, enjoying the exhilarating runs and breathtaking views that the mountains provide. In the warmer months, the same trails become popular hiking routes, leading adventurers through lush valleys and up to panoramic viewpoints. Zakopane is also renowned for its unique wooden architecture, which reflects the region's rich cultural heritage. The traditional Highlander style is evident in the charming houses and buildings that dot the landscape, showcasing intricate carvings and distinctive designs. This architectural style not only adds to the town's charm but also connects visitors to the local culture and history. Among the popular attractions in Zakopane is Gubalauca Hill, easily accessible by funicular railway. From the summit, visitors are treated to stunning views of the Tatra Mountains and the town below, making it a perfect spot for photography and relaxation. Another must-visit destination is Morski Oko, a breathtaking glacial lake surrounded by towering peaks. The hike to the lake is a favorite among both locals and tourists, offering a serene escape into nature. In Zakopane, the combination of stunning landscapes, outdoor activities, and rich cultural experiences creates an unforgettable destination for all who visit. Gdańsk, a port city with a rich history. Gdańsk, a vibrant port city on the Baltic Sea, is a treasure trove of maritime heritage and architectural beauty. Its significance in history is underscored by the Gdańsk shipyard, a pivotal site that played a crucial role in the development of Poland's shipbuilding industry. Established in the 19th century, the shipyard became a symbol of innovation and resilience, producing numerous vessels that contributed to the city's economic growth. However, it is perhaps best known as the birthplace of the Solidarity movement in the 1980s, which emerged as a powerful force against communist rule. Led by Lech Walesa, this movement not only transformed Poland but also inspired similar movements across Eastern Europe, marking a significant chapter in the struggle for freedom and democracy. As you stroll through Gdańsk, the picturesque old town captivates with its colorful facades and stunning architecture. The iconic Long Market, lined with beautifully restored buildings, showcases the city's rich trading history and serves as a bustling hub for locals and visitors alike. The majestic Neptune Fountain, a symbol of Gdańsk's maritime heritage, stands proudly at the center, surrounded by charming cafes and shops. The architectural splendor of Gdańsk is further highlighted by the impressive St. Mary's Church, one of the largest brick churches in the world, and the historic Gdańsk Crane, a testament to the city's shipbuilding legacy. Together, these elements create a unique atmosphere that reflects Gdańsk's storied past and vibrant present, making it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Poland's rich history. Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, is a breathtaking natural wonder that straddles the border between Poland and Belarus. This ancient forest is one of the last and largest remaining parts of the primeval forest that once covered much of Europe. Home to towering trees that have stood for centuries, Białowieża is a living testament to the region's rich ecological history. The forest boasts a remarkable biodiversity, with over 12,000 species of plants and animals, including the iconic European bison, which is the continent's heaviest land mammal. These majestic creatures roam freely in their natural habitat, symbolizing the successful conservation efforts that have taken place in the area. The importance of conservation in Białowieża Forest cannot be overstated. As a protected area, it serves as a crucial refuge for many endangered species and plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Conservation initiatives aim to preserve the unique ecosystems and promote sustainable practices that benefit both wildlife and local communities. By protecting this invaluable resource, we ensure that future generations can experience the beauty and wonder of Białowieża. Ecotourism is encouraged in this pristine environment, allowing visitors to explore the forest while supporting conservation efforts. Responsible travel practices, such as guided tours and educational programs, help raise awareness about the importance of preserving natural habitats. By choosing to visit Białowieża Forest, travelers can immerse themselves in its stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife while contributing to the ongoing efforts to protect this extraordinary biosphere reserve. Embrace the opportunity to connect with nature and witness the wonders of Białowieża Forest firsthand. In this video, we have journeyed through the remarkable attractions that Poland has to offer, showcasing its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. From the cultural heart of Kraków, with its UNESCO World Heritage Sites and lively atmosphere, to the breathtaking natural beauty of Zakopane and the enchanting Wieliczka salt mine, Poland is a country that captivates the imagination. We also explored the maritime heritage of Gdańsk, a city steeped in history and significance, and the ancient wonders of Białowieża Forest, a UNESCO biosphere reserve that highlights the importance of conservation and biodiversity. The key takeaways from our exploration of Poland emphasize the country's diverse attractions, each offering unique experiences that cater to a variety of interests. Whether you are drawn to historical landmarks, outdoor adventures, or cultural festivals, Poland has something for everyone. We encourage you to explore these wonders for yourself and immerse yourself in the beauty and richness of this incredible nation. If you enjoyed this journey through Poland, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to discover the hidden gems of Poland. Your support helps us continue to create engaging content that inspires others to explore the world around them. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more adventures with you in the future.